everyone, I'm here today with Bowers Plumbing, and today we'll talk about what exactly is happening in your home if your pipes are making noise when the water is turned off. Hearing odd noises like banging or knocking in your pipes when you turn off the water can be more than just a nuisance. It might signal an issue with your plumbing system. Several factors can cause these sounds, from water hammer, a shock wave from suddenly stopping water flow, to loose pipes or high water pressure. For instance, water hammer happens when a valve closes quickly, creating a loud banging noise. To fix this, you can install water hammer arresters, which cushion the shock. Another culprit could be air chambers, which absorb shock but may get waterlogged over time. Flushing these chambers can restore their function. Loose pipes or high water pressure can also cause pipes to vibrate and make noise. Securing pipes or adjusting pressure can solve this problem. Lastly, corroded pipes, especially in older homes, might obstruct water flow, leading to noise when the water is turned off. Regular plumbing inspections can help catch these issues early. Taking action to fix noisy pipes can save you from more expensive repairs down the road and restore peace to your home. To learn more, visit us at bowersplumbingllc.com. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.